You've probably heard the term financial freedom. But what does it actually look like? And how do you get there while still broke or in college? Imagine this, waking up not because your shift starts at 9, but because you're done trading hours for dollars. Rent covered, emergencies handled, vacations guilt-free. That is financial freedom. Money no longer controls your life, you control it. But here's the problem. Most people never get there because they live paycheck to paycheck, spend before they save, and think it's too early to start. Take note, if you're in college or grinding side hustles right now, this is the perfect time to start building it. Here's the 3-step formula. Step 1, spend less than you earn. Simple, but most people fail here. Step 2, save and invest every month, even if it's $50. Compound interest is your best friend. Step 3, build income streams that don't need you, like selling digital products, affiliate marketing, or investing in assets that pay you back. So here's the story of Kayla. Kayla was a broke college student who started putting $100 per month into index funds. She also sold Notion templates online. 3 years later, her investments are growing, and her templates bring in $500 per month. That's a freedom seed planted early. The truth most won't tell you is that financial freedom isn't luck. It's a choice, a system, and the earlier you start, the easier it gets. You don't need to be rich. You just need to be consistent.